This is a lecture on binomial distribution. A binomial probability distribution has the following characteristic. It has a fixed number of trials n, example 20 coin toss, 40 students, a binary outcome, a success and a failure. Probability of success is p, the probability of failure is 1 minus p. Example, head or tail in a coin toss, pass or fail of students in an exam, positive and negative results of a test of a patient. It also has a constant probability for each trial. Example, the probability of a head in each trial is p, the probability for pass or fail of a student is p1. So in summary, a fixed number of trials, a binary outcome, and a constant probability for each trial. So let's consider a scenario of getting 3 heads and 2 tails. So the scenario 1 is coin 1 is heads, coin 2 heads, coin 3 heads, and the tails are for coin 4 and coin 5. So the probability here is 0.5 times 5 times, so 0.5 to the power 5. Another scenario, here what is happening is that 2 heads for the 2 coins, the tails, and then a heads and then a tails. So if we consider like this, all the scenarios, there are 10 scenarios which we can see. There are therefore 5C3, that is 5 choose 3, 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial ways of getting 3 heads and 2 tails. Therefore, the probability is 5C3, 5 choose 3 star 0.5 to the power 3, that is a success, is 0.5 to the power 3 star 0.5 to the power 2. Generalizing this concept, the probability using n trials and x success is given by n choose x star p, which is the probability of success, to the power x star 1 minus p to the power n minus x. So this completes our understanding of binary probability distribution. In the next sessions, we will discuss with different case studies. Thank you so much. Bye.